Guys, so we're going to do a mini makeup haul from Colourpop. So they had get up to 50% off of build your own palette, and I got the 4-pan one. And they're individual packaging with the magnet strip on the bottom. And I got a couple of their most popular shades. I've got Tea Garden here. This one is Cute Alert. This one is Silver Lining. And then this one is Glass Bowl. And I'm going to take these out of the packaging, and I'm probably going to turn the flash on and show you it inside of the Build It Your Own. See me in the mirror. But the individual pans come in this cute little plastic thing when it comes to mail, so it doesn't get all bent out of shape. And of course, since they're magnetically stripped, you just pull. Gotta do a little bit of finagling. Oh, don't mind that. It was pretty. I just my nail cut it. But look at these colors. Now these are for more. This one too. I got this one with my nail too. Now these are kind of my dailies or stuff I really wanted, and I'm going to swatch them for you. Oh, the flash is much better. I'm going to swatch with the clean finger. Ooh, it's a nice little burgundy here. Now I'm doing nice, gentle swatches. Maybe I should. That one looks like you need to dig into the pan a bit more. Yeah, there we go. It's a pretty lilac color. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, I really like how that one goes on. That is gorgeous. Okay, we'll just use this pinky. Ooh. You know, the beauty gurus make this look so easy. It is not at all. Yes. So, and I have really nice fair skin, so I picked out some colors that would be really nice. I am a little worried about this one, but it's probably one of those you kind of have to go heavy-handed on, and I know purples are really hard to make, at least that's what I hear, but I am in love with that. Yeah, I would enjoy this mini makeup haul vibes we got going on. I'm telling you, they got me in the sale. They sent me an email saying 50% off, and I was like, damn you. Oh, gorgeous. By the way, not sponsored. Wish I was. I'll link everything down below if y'all are interested in those colors.
And if you could hit that like and subscribe button, I would love it so much. Bye! Thank you for watching.